Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I am your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru production, and today we are back down here in Boynton. And our crew, she's looking a little confused onto what she's going to do. I'm curious how she's going to pull this off. This is a little far for a leap of faith, but she's trying to figure it out here. And she's got a plan. Oh, lasso! Cowgirl up, and she hits it on the first pole. Nice job. And now we've got a leap of faith as well, and they're going to pull this one in pretty easy. I'll tell you what, this is a rare sight, though. This is the first fast cat I've seen docking in any of our boat ramp videos, so it's been an interesting one to watch. And this crew looks like they're having as good a time as anybody out on the water today. Oh, we almost lost our cap overboard. Oh, that would have been epic right here in the beginning, but these guys are coming into the ramp. This is going to be an interesting one to see. Every place we go to, it seems, has a spot called Beer Can Island. There's one in Miami, there's one here in Boynton, and I'm sure in your local area there's probably another one. And I'm just guessing this crew has spent a little bit too much time over at Beer Can Island today. And I don't believe that's orange juice our captain's chugging back right here. This is going to definitely be an interesting docking procedure we're going to see coming up. And here comes our cap and crew rolling in, and they're already trying to take where our cat guy has backed the trailer down. Guess Cap's not paying attention to that part. And we're going to hit the dock right off the bat. He came in a little hot as well, and now we are floating toward the speed cat. But our cowgirl up has jumped to the save really fast. It's actually pretty impressive how fast she got off that dock and onto the boat. She knew immediately when this crew pulled up that she was going to have to probably do a couple push-offs here. And these guys are going to have to pick a different spot. I mean, he's already got his trailer in. These guys are going to, looks like they're going to back it out. He's realizing he's going to have to go to another side, but, I mean, the excitement we already thought we were going to get from this crew as we saw them pulling in. It's still going to be interesting because we're not done yet. So our party crew, as expected, had to pick another ramp, and now they're trying to load here. So the gentleman on the left on the dock here, his buddy's the captain of this little yellow jet boat we see here, has gone to get the truck. But this guy looks a little concerned because this guy in the Dusky's awfully close to the jet boat. And if you can't really tell here, he's basically taking this whole ramp up to try and get his boat out. So there's no way anybody else is coming back down this ramp beside these guys. And here he goes. He's going to try and get on, and he is so close to that other boat. He's hitting that boat. Oh my gosh. And I'll tell you what, the guy who's here with the jet boat doesn't really know what to do because it's not his boat. So he's kind of probably looking for Cap to come back down and maybe say something to this guy. But as I mentioned earlier, this is about what I was expecting from this crew. When I saw them pulling in, I can tell they'd had just a little bit too much fun today. And yep, he is back on the other boat. Oh man. Getting a little rub action. Rubbing's racing, right guys? I mean, I guess that's not what we're into today though. This isn't racing, but man, our Cap's having a fun time here. This is definitely an uncomfortable situation for the guy sitting next to the jet boat. Just because he knows he should say something that this boat's on this boat, but it's not his boat. He doesn't know what to say probably. And I'm sure if the captain from the jet boat was down there, who's down there getting the truck, he'd be all over this guy, just giving him a piece of his mind. But I mean, this guy's gonna get his boat up and probably be gone before the other Cap, because the other Cap can't even back down till he leaves. And the struggle is real here at Boynton today as this captain is stuck on the ramp. This is the second attempt, and we are just going to shoot some sparks out behind those tires again and not really get anywhere. I mean, he's going to have to back this one down. One of the tougher parts of these situations is when I see these is my Cap's so close. In other words, each one of these he's pulling, he's almost getting there. And due to the fact that he's almost getting there, it's preventing him from doing what really needs to happen here, which is he probably needs to reset the boat. It's just not centered on the trailer right, so the weight's not distributed right. He's going to make another run at it, though. And we're still not going to get there. But usually when I see this is because the boat's just a hair too far back on the trailer. There's not enough tongue weight to keep those rear tires down. And we go for another attempt. This time, I think it looks like we're going to try and see a little running spot at an angle here. And yep, here he goes. And he's not going to make it again, but this is going to make an interesting attempt next time. As backing down, now all of a sudden we're against the boat ramp. Still making the run of it. He's going to have to recenter this thing. I mean, that's the only option that's really left at this point. I mean, he's going to keep trying, but the reality is now he needs to just go reset this boat. And now we're on the ramp as well. Up here comes Wifey, going to try and alert these guys to it. He notices it, so he's going to make a different approach, try and get the boat off the ramp. But we still are not up. So now we've got, you know, the armchair quarterbacks on the ramp as well helping. Oh, here we go. Superman's got him. This one's definitely going to work. Oh, man. I don't know why he even thinks it's going to do anything. Homeboy just sitting here like, yeah, I'm going to push the boat up the ramp. Oh, man. Gotta love what we catch down here. Here we go. And it's close, but still, we're done. Nope. Alright, here's Cap, and we've done, like I mentioned earlier, he has reset the entire boat. He pulled the boat off the trailer, got it a little bit further forward on the trailer to help us just get a little more weight on the tongue up there, and here we go. And we're going to make it out this time. So here comes this crew. Whoa, we got a little action on the other side, though. Oh, we've lost both of our guide poles. This guy's got this trailer way too deep. So on the left-hand side here, there's actually a guide pole on the trailer on the left-hand side as well. It's so deep it's underwater. And the one on the right completely floated off the trailer. And here comes the one on the left as well. Man, he's just dropped it too deep. Oh, and here comes this one. It's going to float right off as well now. Cap's at least caught it. Now let's see how he handles this situation. Those guide poles are precious. He's running down after him. He's definitely going to be able to grab this first one, but I'm curious what we're going to do about the second one. As there's no way he's getting it from the dock, and now his boat, due to the current wind, is actually drifting far enough that he's not even going to be able to get to his boat from this dock. He can't make a leap of faith that long. I mean, I guess he could try. Probably make for great footage. But that boat's just drifting away on him. I don't know why he's trying to put this guide pole back on in the water, though. At this point in time, I would probably take that back up to the dock, and to each their own, I guess. I mean, I guess he's going to need it to try and reload this thing, but this is kind of like our last guy who was struggling to get off the ramp, though. There's a certain point in time where you kind of give this thing up, and you just need to reset completely. So our Cap has got the lasso out and going for the second guide pole, and unsuccessful on this attempt. But look at how far this boat's drifted now off of the trailer. I mean, he's going to have a fun time trying to get this thing out of here. He's probably going to have to get the boat off if he's really going after that guide pole. I don't think he's going to be able to lasso it anymore. And after multiple attempts, here we go. We've released the boat from the trailer, and we're going to go fish this guide pole out. Seems like a lot of effort to grab a guide pole. Let me know in the comments below. If this was you guys in this situation, what would you have done here? Would you have actually went and got this guide pole? I personally probably would have left it. I hate to say that, but so the Cap has got himself in a little bit of a mischief. We saved the guide pole, but you can see him pulling here. He is stuck on something. The boat's drifted off the trailer, and I'm not sure. I'm guessing there's a submerged rock or something over there, because there's something definitely over there, because he's stuck. That boat is not moving. He can't seem to get it back, so we're going to try and power it back over to the trailer. Let's see if this works. Go ahead and power up on the motor. Yeah, oh man, all over a guide pole. I feel terrible for this guy. There's sometimes when fun things happen to the ramp and we enjoy watching them and bringing them to you guys. This is not one of them. This is not one of those times I'm really enjoying watching this, because this guy's been here for a while now. I mean, this will be edited down so you guys don't have to watch the whole experience, but I mean, we're probably rolling on minute 20 right now of him here at the ramp. So he's figured out that he's definitely stuck on a rock, and he's trying everything he can to get this thing powered off, but I'm guessing he's going to have to do something different. Once again, you're going to have to reset this. He may have to use the truck to try and power this off the rock by either backing it down or pulling it up a little bit. But just look at his demeanor at the helm now. He is done. Oh man. And he's going to try and reposition something from the front. Let's see what goes on. So our Cap has used the truck and actually pushed the boat back a little deeper to try and get it off the rock. And look at this. He's standing on the rock now trying to push this off. This shows you how shallow the rock was over there that he was on. Wow. So he took the truck and actually powered the truck back and pushed this off the rock with the truck and the trailer. And he's still struggling, though, trying to get this, and this boat's just basically drifted right back over this rock. Without that other guy pull on, he's kind of stuck here. I mean, he's at a spot now where you've got to reset. I don't think there's anything left to do in this situation besides reset yourself and pull this boat completely off the trailer. Let's move to another ramp and just get yourself refocused, basically, because at this point in time, the focus is gone. So our cap's got the motor started. He's got himself off the rock at least. Let's see how he actually plays this one out. Using the power, bringing the stern closer to the dock. Let's see, just if he can get it a little bit closer, he might be able to get a line off onto the dock. Ooh, a little rough. But if you can get a line, there we go. And he's got it. We've got some success. And it finally looks like our cap's probably got a way figured out to get this boat out of the water. And with that one, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps as we visited Boynton Beach with our guy Seth behind the sticks. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage of Haulover Inlet and assists us in getting these footage down here at the boat ramp. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. We also have Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And if you haven't already, guys, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.